3 minutes max. You are up on screen. Mr. Vaughn, go.
So sometimes clients want changes after artwork's done. All of this type for this design is already being converted to paths, and they decide to change the name. They don't want to use golf. It's too predictable. So they want to use swing instead. Sometimes when you type out words, it's easier to align. In this case, we'll go ahead and type out swing. But I'm going to include a letter that is in the original name of golf, letter O. Then I'll go size it up a little bit. It's easier when you remember the fonts. I only have so many fonts open on my machine because I'm lazy. And this is Zona Black. But to get the specific sizing, you kind of have to eyeball it. And the way I've worked around this is more of a workaround than it is a tip, per se. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and convert these to paths. And I'll go ahead and ungroup them. So right now, I have
5 million anchor points.
So I have this word. I'm going to go ahead and unite those. And with this O, which is in the word golf, we'll go ahead and bring this to front. I'm going to bring this over on top, select both, and I'm going to mask them. Now I'm using shortcuts. But I do that because now I can go into this word, select this O, go up here and find out it's 45 or 48 points in height. That way I can get out of isolation mode, click this, go up here, and I'll go ahead and type in 48.
Yes.
And now I'll unmask it. And so this type is now the exact same size as that font. And actually, before I get rid of that O, I want to use it to align it with, I'm going to zoom in because I can't see too well. We'll do this, and then I'll bring it up here. And you want to make sure Smart Guides is on. We'll snap it into place, deselect swing, get rid of the O, and then we'll select both of these, focus on the word golf, and then using align, we'll align it to the left to position it, select golf, delete it, select this, Command-I, and to get the new word in place.
Nicely done. Excellent.